video is like a between episodes. This is where I'm gonna show you a few things that I did to the car. Some TLC stuff to make the car look better, some minor things. What I'm doing right now, it's not polishing, is really just for cleaning it, okay? And I have never do anything like this, so please do not see this as a tutorial. It's just me cleaning up. The job was not complete, it's not perfect, but in the end we still achieved a better result than we already had.
Ouch. My bad. Look how dirty it is because of this. Still. So it's like this. Now it's like this. So yeah. I guess it's a win. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to attempt to remove all of this rust from these covers, so I won't have to replace them. I'm going to use this. I know it will probably remove all of the rust, but it will get scratched. So, but wherever the effect, it will be better than what it has now. The engine is warm, but it's not hot to the hand, so I think I can work on it. Let's give it a try here. Yeah, it does clean. It's not making a lot of dust, so I think I can.
As for these valve covers, they were later on removed, so I could change the gasket, and all the rust was removed. So it's much easier to just remove the cover. That way, it's so much more easier to clean. The interior of the wheels were in just a mess, so I pressure washed it first, and then I gave it some cleaning with a machine, as you can see. So it removed a lot of the dirty, but in the end it's not a perfect job. But that way I could calibrate the wheels, which that was something I wanted. Now keep in mind that the wheels, I will talk later on of the wheels, because there will be another issue due to the fact that in Europe those tires are almost impossible to get, but that will be an issue for another episode.
Look at the difference. This is how it was, and with a few seconds now using a stronger machine, it goes something like this. It's not perfect, but it's smooth, even though it's dirty. But look, there's a huge difference just by passing a few seconds. I'm gonna keep on doing it, and I'll show you in the end.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep in mind that in the next episodes the car will be painted, so stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on the video, please. That will help a lot. Thank you very much.